Unlock the world of stories with audiobooks. Hello, dear learners and story enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of audiobooks. Whether you're on the go, doing chores, or just relaxing, audiobooks provide a convenient and enjoyable way to enjoy literature and learn English at the same time. So, let's explore what audiobooks are and why they're an essential tool for language learners like you. An audiobook is a recording of a book or text being read aloud. In the past, audiobooks were often provided on tapes or CDs, but now they're primarily downloaded or streamed on various devices. They can range from fiction to nonfiction, poetry to textbooks, and include a wide array of genres and subjects. The beauty of an audiobook is its convenience. You can listen to them while driving, on public transport, during a workout, or even as a bedtime story. Audiobooks offer several advantages, especially for English language learners. Here are some to consider. 1. Improve listening skills. Regularly listening to audiobooks can significantly improve your comprehension and understanding of English. 2. Expand vocabulary. Audiobooks expose you to a range of new words and phrases, helping you to expand your vocabulary. 3. Perfect pronunciation. Hearing words pronounced correctly can aid in improving your own pronunciation. 4. Learn natural rhythms. Listening to native speakers can help you understand the natural flow and rhythm of English speech. 5. Accessibility. For those who have difficulty reading or are visually impaired, audiobooks provide an excellent alternative to printed text. Learning English through audiobooks can be both effective and enjoyable. To get the most out of audiobooks, consider the following tips. Choose the right level. Start with books that match your current level of English, and gradually work your way up. Listen and follow along. If possible, get a copy of the printed book to follow along with the audio. This can help with understanding and spelling. Repeat and shadow. Listen to the same book more than once, and try to shadow the reader by repeating the sentences aloud. Take notes. Jot down new words and phrases, then look them up and practice using them in sentences. Unabridged versus abridged. An unabridged audiobook is read exactly as written in the book, while an abridged version is shortened. Dramatized versions. Some audiobooks feature a full cast, music, and sound effects, offering a richer listening experience. Educational audiobooks, specifically designed for language learning. These may have special features like slower narration and vocabulary explanations. I hope this video has shed light on the world of audiobooks and how they can be a valuable resource in your English learning journey. With the power to improve your language skills and immerse you in the narrative, audiobooks are truly a portal to both knowledge and entertainment. Happy listening, and keep learning! If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips. Until next time, keep opening new doors with English.